Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your GameStop gift card. So GameStop is an American shop which sells game merchandise and other stuff related with gaming and electronics. Like it sells you Xbox, PlayStation's game, Xbox game, as well as PC games, as well as you can also sell your old, games or like your old game CDs over here in GameStop. It's a pretty big retail store in America. So if you guys have a promo code of it, you can use it online, which I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the first step is you want to search for GameStop. After you search for GameStop, click on the first link where it says GameStop.com. It's going to take you to the official website of GameStop. Now over here, in order to use the promo code, you need to buy something on GameStop. So I'm going to buy anything over here in random. So I'm going to go on where it says Sony PS5 Dual Sense Controller. I'm going to buy this, but you guys can buy anything you want, alright? Once you come over here, you need to click on where it says Add to Cart. Once you click on Add to Cart over here, wait for some time until it loads up. After it loads up, you can choose whichever plan you want. I'm just going to choose a 1-year plan. Once I choose that, this thing is going to be added to my cart. Now, once this thing is added to my cart, I can click on View Cart. Now, once I click on View Cart, it's going to take me to my cart where I can pay for this controller. Now, when I'm paying for my controller, there's going to be enter a promo code, which means if I have like a gift card, I can pay using my gift card, alright? So I'm going to click on enter promo code. And behind your gift card, there's going to be a random like digit code over here. You need to scratch your gift card in order to see that. Once you see the code, you need to type the code exactly how it's written in the gift card. Once you type the code over here exactly in the way how it's written, click on submit. And if the gift card or like the gift code you entered over here is correct, then it's going to be used in order to buy the product, all right? So let's say my total is going to be around $186, all right? And my gift card is worth $50. So the $50 is going to be used, but I need to provide that extra amount over here for buying the stuff, all right? So that's how it works. So don't get confused. Don't think like a $50 gift card can buy you like $1,000 worth of gift, all right? So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye-bye.